This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Haywood County Sheriff's Office is searching for two missing children, ALAZAY SHELBY ROSE and KINLEY MAELENA STEPP. ALAZAY SHELBY ROSE is a 12-year-old white female, approximately 5 feet tall, weighing 100 pounds. She has black hair and blue eyes, blue shirt, and blue jeans. KINLEY MAELENA STEPP is a 3-year-old white female, approximately 3 foot tall, weighing 45 pounds. She has blonde hair and blue eyes, pink shirt, and blue jeans. The victims are believed to be with Jacob Grant Aaron Stepp. Jacob Grant Aaron Stepp is described as 46 years old, white male, 6 feet tall, weighing 200 pounds. He has brown hair and green eyes, tattoo on both shoulders. Children were taken from 99 Ben Medford Drive in Waynesville, possibly in the area of Cherokee Tribal, North Carolina, driving a 2016 white Dodge Challenger with black racing stripes. Also has a North Carolina license plate, KMC 5951. If you have any information regarding this case, call the Haywood County Sheriff's Office immediately at 828-452-6600 or call 911 or star HP. This is an Amber Alert.